You know maze? It was a place with a secret passage. This time, we will make a maze with mice. We will make the cat walk in the maze to catch the mouse. But the cat must not hit the maze, or he loses. The result is like this. Create a new Scratch project and name it Cat and Mouse Maze. We're not going to use this cat sprite. Delete the cat sprite, then add a sprite named Cat2. Resize the cat to 35, so there's room to move around. Then place the cat in the lower left, for example at the x-200 and y-150 coordinates. The cat will be chasing the mouse, so we also need to add a sprite named Mouse1. Resize the mouse to 25, then place the mouse in the center of the screen. You can type the x and y coordinates to 0, so that the mouse is in the middle. Well, we need one more sprite for the maze. This time, we will draw the maze ourselves. Click the paint button when selecting sprites. Then draw the maze you want. The shape and color of the maze are free. The cat will move on the path in the maze, and if the cat touches the maze, the cat will lose. Make sure there is enough room in the maze for the cat to move around. For example, like this. Then, place the maze in the center of the screen by typing the x and y coordinates to 0. You can also resize the maze so that it fits the screen. If we click on the green flag, we will return the cat to the bottom left. We will also make the cat sprite move if we press the arrow keys. You already know how, right? This block to return the cat to the bottom left. We also have 4 if blocks inside the forever loop. The first if block is to move the cat to the right. Second if block to move the cat to the left. Third if block to move the cat up. Fourth if block to move the cat down. Still in the cat sprite, create a new block when the green flag is clicked. In it, there is a forever loop block, and in this loop block, we will examine. If the cat touches the maze, it will be in pain, and the game is over. Still inside the forever block, add this if block. This time, if the cat touches the mouse, he wins and the game stops. To make the game more exciting, we will rotate the maze. In the maze sprites, add these blocks to rotate the maze. Then, to make it more interesting, we will also add this block to play the sound. Try playing. Can you catch the mouse? If you want the game to be more exciting, you can also speed up the maze loop by changing the numbers in the blue block in the maze sprites. If you like this video, please do me a great favor. Subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. This way, I can get energy to create more interesting video and we can have fun together. Thank you very much, and see you on my other video.